In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keyframe audio in DaVinci Resolve. This is a very simple technique, but it's incredibly useful when you want to control your audio more precisely inside your timeline. Keyframing audio lets you raise or lower the volume at specific points in a clip, which is perfect for things like smoothing out levels, lowering music under dialogue, or creating cleaner transitions between different sounds. To get started, head over to the Edit page in DaVinci Resolve. This is where you'll be able to work directly on your timeline and make quick adjustments to your audio clip. Once you're there, look for the audio track you want to edit. Before you can add keyframes easily, it helps to make the track bigger. Expanding the track gives you a clearer view of the clip and makes the gain line much easier to see and work with. The gain line is the white horizontal line that runs across the audio clip. That line represents the volume level of the clip, so this is what you'll be adjusting. Once the track is large enough and you can clearly see that white line, you're ready to add a keyframe. To do that, hold the Alt key on your keyboard and click directly on the white gain line. When you do that, DaVinci Resolve will place a keyframe at that exact point. And that's it. That's the basic process for keyframing audio in DaVinci Resolve. A helpful thing to keep in mind is that keyframes give you control over volume changes at precise moments, so it's worth zooming in on your timeline if you need more accuracy. Making the track larger and keeping the gain line visible will also make the process much easier, especially if you're working on detailed edits. If your click doesn't seem to work at first, just double-check that you're clicking directly on the white line and that you're holding Alt while doing it. Small details like that can make a big difference. Once you get comfortable with this, keyframing audio becomes a fast and natural part of editing. It's one of those simple tools that can make your project sound much more polished and professional. That's how to keyframe audio in DaVinci Resolve.